8 free alternatives to Photoshop in 2024. Hey there, folks. Welcome back to EonEngineers, the go-to place for all things tech and design. Today, we've got something special for you. If you've ever found yourself wanting to use Adobe Photoshop but were deterred by the hefty price tag, you're in luck. In this video, we're going to introduce you to 8 amazing free alternatives to Photoshop in 2024. So, whether you're a beginner or a pro, stick around as we explore some fantastic options for your photo editing needs. Let's dive right in. List of the 8 alternatives. GIMP, Pixlr Editor, Paint.net, PhotoPass Pro, Krita, Photopea Online Photo Editor, Sumo Paint, Seashore. 1. GIMP. First up, we have GIMP, which stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program. It's a powerful tool suitable for both beginners and advanced photo editors. However, it's essential to note that GIMP has its limitations. For instance, it doesn't support RAW files, and its user interface may take some time to get used to. 2. Pixlr Editor. Next on the list is Pixlr Editor, a browser-based editor that rivals traditional software. Developed by Autodesk, it offers a range of features without the need for a significant financial investment. But, there are some drawbacks, such as limited browser support, file restrictions, and a lack of a pen tool. 3. Paint.net. Now, let's talk about Paint.net. Don't let its name fool you, it's a more advanced version of the classic MS Paint. While it lacks support for raw images and some tools, it compensates with features like layers and blending modes. 4. PhotoPass Pro. Moving on to PhotoPass Pro. It's known for its sleek modern UI, which can be customized to your preferences. Although it has limitations like export file size and performance, it's an excellent choice for most users. 5. Krita, highly recommended by photographers, is our 5th pick. With a Photoshop-like look and support for rulers and guides, it's a compelling choice. However, it has limitations with text and lacks a history feature. 6. Photopea Online Photo Editor. Number 6 on our list is Photopea Online Photo Editor, a web-based alternative to Photoshop. It boasts impressive performance and supports almost all file types, including PSD. The only downside is that it's adware, so you'll encounter some ads while editing. 7. Sumo Paint. Sumo Paint is next, and it's a fantastic alternative to Photoshop's design abilities. It's web-based, runs smoothly on Flash-based browsers, and provides a range of tools. However, it has some limitations, such as supporting only a few file types and lacking PSD compatibility. 8. Seashore. Last but not least, Seashore is our Mac-specific option. Inspired by GIMP, it's one of the best photo editors available on Mac. It supports a variety of file formats and even includes pressure sensitivity support for drawing tablets. The only downsides are the outdated user interface and no PSD support. And there you have it, 8 free alternatives to Photoshop in 2024. Each of these options comes with its own set of features and limitations, so make sure to choose the one that suits your needs best. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. As always, for more fantastic articles and tech updates, keep visiting us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.